Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Vizag Arts World. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Let's get started. This shell spent its life traveling through the waves of the sea. Every wave made it stronger and every journey made it more beautiful. Nature shaped it with patience, just as time shapes every meaningful story. Today, these three colors give it a new identity. As I paint the saffron, I think of the courage and sacrifice that gave us freedom. The white reminds us to choose peace, truth, and harmony, and the green symbolizes growth, hope, and the bright future of our nation. And at the center, the Ashok Chakra reminds us to keep moving forward with honesty, progress, and determination. And this is the final output of our painting. And now going to the next painting, I have used the metal pipe. This old metal pipe may look ordinary, but it reminds me that strength isn't always visible. It has faced heat, pressure, rust, and time. Yet it still stands strong, right? Just like the people of our country. India has overcome countless challenges and continues to move forward with resilience and determination. Today, these three colors don't just decorate this pipe, they celebrate the strength and spirit of our nation. A simple piece of metal now carries the pride of the Tiranga. And this is the final output of our second painting. And now, every lock has one purpose: to protect something valuable. Today, this old lock reminds us that the greatest treasure we have is our freedom. It wasn't given to us easily. It was earned through courage, sacrifices, and the dreams of millions of Indians. As I paint the Tiranga on this lock, it becomes a reminder that protecting our country doesn't always mean standing on a battlefield. It means respecting one another, caring for our nation, and keeping its values alive every single day. This is no longer just an old log. It has become a symbol of responsibility, unity. The freedom we enjoy today was protected by brave men and women who sacrificed everything for our country. Just as a log protects what matters most, it is now our responsibility to protect the unity, respect, and pride of India. The Tiranga is not just a flag, it is a promise that every generation should proudly carry forward. And this is the final output of our last painting. And three ordinary objects, one beautiful Tiranga, and countless emotions. Which painting touched your heart the most? Tell me in the comments. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.